Hello everyone. Microsoft officially released version 26H1 in the first half of February 2026. That many of you are wondering why Microsoft has released Windows 11 26H1 but hasn't made the ISO available for download. The reason is simple. This is not a release for general users. Windows 11 26H1 is primarily intended for PC manufacturers to pre-install on new hardware. This version has almost no new features for regular users, as the changes are strictly at the system level. That is why Microsoft is not releasing it to the public. However, if you still want to experience this version, I will guide you right now. Open your browser and search for UUP dump. On the selection bar, click on Windows 11 and select version 26H1. Select the version without the word preview and choose x64. Select your language and click Next. I only need Windows Pro, so I will uncheck Home. You can include updates. However, I will leave that box unchecked to save download time. Keep the download method as it is. Extract the downloaded file. To download the ISO file, select the file ending in .cmd to proceed with the download on Windows. For other operating systems, use the file ending in .sh. Press R to run the script. The speed of the ISO download depends entirely on your internet connection. The script is now finished. I will press 0 to exit. As you can see, the ISO file has been downloaded, and the build number is right at the beginning of the file name. You can delete the other files and keep the ISO file. Next, I will install Windows 11 using this exact ISO file. I will move it to drive D first to prevent the ISO file from being lost. I will now right-click on the ISO file and select Mount. Copy everything inside the ISO file. I'll create a new folder named 11 to paste it into. I will now create a file to skip the hardware check when installing Windows. I will put this code in the description for those who need it. Change Save as Type to all files. I will save it with the name labconfig.reg. Now, hold Shift and click Restart. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt. Type Notepad. Select File, Open. Change files of type to all files. Navigate to your 11 folder. Right-click on Setup and select Run. Press Alt-Tab to switch back and forth between applications. As you can see, my machine does not meet the requirements to install Windows 11. Now, I will Alt-Tab to Notepad. Navigate to your labconfig.reg file. Right-click and select Merge. Return to Windows Setup. As you can see, I am now able to proceed with the Windows 11 installation. I will delete the partitions related to Windows. Please be careful, as doing this incorrectly will result in data loss. To quickly create a local account, press Shift F10. Type the command shown on the screen. Enter your name, and you're done. I have successfully entered Windows. First, I will adjust the display resolution. I will now check the Windows version. As you can see, this is Windows 26 H1 with build number 28000. I have disabled Include Updates, so this will be the initial build for this version. You can go to Windows Update and download the latest updates for Windows 11 26 H1. As you can see, it has successfully received the new update. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.